Is this becoming a everyday tactics now? Another footage of a Ukrainian FPV drone which burns Russian positions with thermite. The 117th Brigade's FPV unit shot down a Russian Supercam reconnaissance drone. Russian servicemen harshly criticizes residents of Kursk and Belgorod, accusing them not only of failing to support the military, but also of exploiting them by raising prices on food and housing at every opportunity.
Я хотел обратиться к местным жителям Белгородской и Курской областей. Ребят, вы реально не хотите войну выиграть? Но, честно говоря, отвратительно звучит, когда вы солдатам не продаете воду, потому что вы боитесь, что солдаты к вам ходят и туда прилетит. Мирные жители Курской области, Белгородской, одумайтесь. Вы должны не просто не мешать им снимать квартиры, покупать еду в магазинах. Вы должны их поселить у себя дома и отнестись к ним как к детям своим. Накормить, напоить, обогреть и защитить. А вы с ними поступаете просто гадко. Вы поступаете как, сука, конченые проститутки вы поступаете. Это чистая измена. Как говорили Великую Отечественную, вы контра. Если солдат пришел к вам в дом и сказал, что тут будет опорная точка, значит вы берете вещи и валите к родственникам, потому что там будет опорная точка. Отвратительная вообще, это просто отвратительно. Это чистая контра. Как говорят в Крыму, в Донецке, хохлы вы, понимаете? Вы не русские, вы хохлы, которые своего солдата не греют. Вы если не кормите своего солдата, вы будете кормить чужого. И даже когда вас помощь не просят, просто покупают. И просто снимают и платят за бешеные бабки. За бешеные. В Белгороде 60 тысяч однушка гадкая стоит. За бешеные бабки. Вы не забывайте зарабатывать на всей этой ситуации. На корреспондентах, на солдатах, на контрактниках, на добровольцах, на волонтерах. Вы заработать не забывайте. Вы контра. Вы шпионы чужой страны. Или вы кто? Вы даже не люди, понимаете?
Ukrainian Sergei flash on the Poltava strike. There were no drills, it was a regular day for studying. Russians just decided to strike it randomly. Our enemy is spreading a lot of disinformation about the tragedy one. There was no formation, some group of people were on the street near the building, but this was not the reason for the missile launch. 2. No secret EW specialists were studying there. 3. There were no foreign mercenaries or foreign instructors there. 4. Since the times of the USSR, everyone knew about this training center, and since the beginning of the war, people were constantly studying there. The enemy simply chose a random day to strike the training building. He knew that training was taking place there. 5. There are still no videos from the Russian reconnaissance UAV. That is, they did not need adjusting. They knew where they were hitting. 6. There were no Nazis among the dead. There were ordinary mobilized people who went on a short course to improve their knowledge of communications and were supposed to finish it on September 5th. Observe information hygiene and do not spread rumors, and other people will think about the reasons. Think and draw conclusions. Biden on the permission to strike with American weapons on the territory of Russia. I made it clear what we support and what we do not support.
Mr. President, on Ukraine, have you seen Ukraine's request to lift restrictions on American weapons that they can strike back on Russian bases?
I've made it clear what we support.
Mr. President, how is it to be back on the campaign trail today?
Feels good.
How do you feel about Pennsylvania?
Yes, I'm not able to go on the crowds anymore. They don't think it's over gun lemon.
No, why not?
Well, because it takes too dangerous. No one gets to go out. You know what? You know, it's really,
How do you feel about Pennsylvania right now?
I feel really good about that. I think we're really Pennsylvania.
Ukrainian soldiers from the 81st Separate Airmobile Brigade attack Russian armored vehicles and infantry. Car for Ukraine has been actively helping warriors since the beginning of the war, delivering 455 cars to the front line. Their cars are also used in the Kursk operation, and now they received an urgent request for 2 superpowered trucks that will help hold the front line. More in the video, and the link is in the description.
Hey guys, Ivan from Car for Ukraine here. Since the beginning of the war, we've already delivered 455 cars. I hope you follow the Kursk operation closely. We do, and we've seen 3 of our cars being actively used there as well. And from that direction, we've just received an urgent request for 2 superpowered trucks. So we are launching a new campaign called Superpowered Trucks. And you can also join. You can help us at carforukraine.com. If you got a car you can donate, we accept them in the UK and in the EU. Help our guys. Glory to Ukraine. Together to our shared victory.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.